Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And in this case, it's Polybag 30311. And this is the City Swamp Police Helicopter. Or maybe a police swamp helicopter? Something about helicopters and swamp and police. Anyway, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Well, while I'm doing this, what y'all might want to think about doing is, if you enjoy this kind of video, the LEGO Polybag build-along, you might want to think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because the plan is to do one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. So, if you like this kind of thing, subscribe and turn on notifications to make sure you get updated. Alright, so this is the, I can see, this is the pilot, and, oops, so pop its head on, and track down some feet, like so, and then helmet, and he has a, I always like these little visors. They seem like it's like a good bit of kind of action for the helmet, if you can hold on to it anyway. I wonder if the reason they give you so many of these, like they so often give you an extra of these little visors, is if the visors tend to break or something. I don't know. Oh, also, if you want to build along with this particular polybag, I've included links in the description where you can find this polybag on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included the brick set link for this if you just want information on the polybag. There's also a Google Spreadsheets link that has links to all of the previous polybag build-alongs and also upcoming ones. So if you want to, like if you want to like get ready for a future one, you can. Alright, so we're sitting here with this and like so. Alright, pretty solid. That's kind of weird, but maybe, alright. See, that's weird having that little gap there. I wonder why. It seems like there should have, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay. So, we need 1x4 and two 1x2s. 1x2 number 1 and 1x2 number 2, like so. And then these are going to be like the little lights, I guess. Alright. Is that a weird color for a cheese wedge? I don't know if y'all can, if it's zooming in okay. I don't know. It looks like an interesting color choice for a cheese wedge. Anyway, kind of cool. Alright, so that takes care of these two. Line them up like so. And there we go. And then we mount two of the little levers. Lever number 1. I don't know exactly how I want them facing. Alright. Line it up like that, maybe. Alright. So that's one. And this will be the second one. Like so. These are giving me fits today for some reason. There we go. So that'll be our controls. And then, like so. Alright, so next we gotta make the pontoons. Alright, so make 2 of these. So we start with this, I guess. We start with this one. And then we add 2 of these to each. 1, 2, and then it wants to roll away, doesn't it? 1 and 2. Okay. And then this one goes on top of that. So this goes right there. And then this goes right here. And then we put the tops on. They actually look pretty good, like pretty good pontoons, don't they? Alright. That takes care of those. And so these snap on to the wheels, where the wheels would go. Like so. Looks pretty good. Alright. So next we're going to add the lights. Pretty straightforward there. This one and this one. And this one just snaps on the front and flips up. Like so. Takes care of that. And then we add this and this and this. Make sure it faces the right direction. Like so. And then we got this goes here. And 2 more lights. Like so. Takes care of that one. And then a 1x8 sticks in right here. And like so. And we have the small propeller. Clips on right there. Spins pretty good. Alright. It's looking like a helicopter so far, right? So that goes under there. And then we build this up a little bit more. Here. And here. Like so. And we put these things, these 2 pieces right here. I guess to kind of look like a machinery, maybe? Like a motor or something? Like so. And then this goes on top. Like that. And then we take a propeller and some 1x6 tiles right there, and this snaps on. Ooh, put that on wrong. Snaps on right here, and then we add our pilot, and I think we're good to go, right? Alright, excuse me, Mr. Pilot. Gotta get those controls out of the way. Alright. So let's squeeze the pilot in there. And alright. Alright. Well, that's kind of good, doesn't it? It's like a pretty good little pontoon helicopter. Neat. Anyway. Oh, and extra pieces. These are our extra pieces. You get an extra lever, an extra visor, a cheese wedge, one of the little round flat lights, and a maybe that's a medium transparent blue 1x1. Kind of cool. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.